Meaning of Irangate.
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 Irangate. Irangate refers to the Iran-Contra affair, a political scandal in the United States during the 1980s. It involved senior officials secretly selling weapons to Iran, despite an arms embargo, in exchange for hostages and using the profits to fund Nicaraguan Contra rebels, despite a congressional ban on such aid. The scandal resulted in multiple investigations and convictions, including those of high-ranking members of President Reagan's administration. The fallout from the scandal damaged the Reagan presidency and raised questions about the limits of executive power and foreign policy decision-making.